Hi guys, can you believe this table was trash? It was once trash. I flipped it, yeah. I turned this trash into a treasure. I turned this trash into this vanity piece. Yeah, that's the before and this is the after picture. My name is Sedi, and if you want to know how I did this, please keep watching. So this is my local thrift store, and I saw this piece is 12 euros, and I just love the fact that it's real wood and it has these beautiful drawers. These drawers are going to help me store all my makeup and everything standing on my makeup table right now. I don't like seeing things standing on tables or on countertops. So I've been wanting to have a vanity for a very long time, but these things cost a lot of money. Yeah, and you have to be on a budget. So I ended up bringing this home, and I just love it so much. It's heavy, it's steady, it's wood, and it's going to last for a very long time. So first things first, I lined the floor with some plastic, and I'm taking out all the drawers. Now I'm prepping the paint area with this foil paper so I can easily throw that out when I am done. I'm using some very good glossy finish paint, and this is crystal white, or what should I say, yeah, real white. And off camera I sanded down the wood just a little bit, especially the sides of it. The top part, I'm going to do something special with it. If you want to know how I did the marble finish, keep watching. So I went ahead and put the first coat of paint on the table. This paint is really good, it doesn't really smell, so I was able to do it inside my house because it was freezing outside. And before painting, always try to look at the bottle of the paint to know what temperature you should be painting at, because some paints don't permit you to paint when it's very cold outside or very hot. So 3 hours later, I'm coming in with the second coat of paint. This is because I really want this thing to be super white. Now I'm going in to take out all the screws on the drawers. I want to replace them with something more fancy because I don't like the screws, the handles, sorry. And also this thing has a lock, and it did not have a key when I bought it. Yeah, 12 euros, it did not come with a key. So I took out all the hardware, and I'm going to go ahead, take out the lining also at the bottom, and I'm going to also give these drawers a fresh coat of white paint. When painting, you want to remember to go very light, let it dry, and you come back with a second coat. That way you have a perfect finish and your work remains super neat. Now I'm at the shop. I went to the hardware shop, but the handles there were super expensive, the crystal handles. So I went to the craft shop, and these knobs are very cheap. I had to get a couple of packs. I got 4 packs, and we are back home. My cupboard is dry, the drawers are dry, it's already looking beautiful. Now this is what the old handle looks like. It's so old, I do not like it at all. I did not even feel like spray painting it. And yeah, so let's replace all the knobs on this cupboard. First I had to replace the lock. I got this lock also, and I just have to slide that in. It doesn't need a lot of work, or I don't need to be a carpenter to do this. And now I'm going in with the door knobs I got, very cheap, very beautiful, and they are very strong. Sometimes cheap doesn't mean bad. So I'm going in and putting the screws behind, and I'm holding that in place. I'm going to be using 2 knobs per drawer because these drawers already have these 2 holes from the previous handles, but I want to upcycle it. I want to flip it to my taste. So this is basically what I'm doing, sending in the knob with the screw and securing it behind. Now I'm going in with this contact paper. This is a self-adhesive paper. It's a marble paper, and the marble is not very bold. That's what I wanted, and I'm just going to measure this on the table. Make sure it's properly measured. This paper also comes with measurements behind, so it's easy for you to cut. And now you have to open this paper gently. You can see I've put a glass on the table. That's because I want to hold the paper in place so that it doesn't roll back. And now I'm going ahead to secure that paper down. First, open through the width. Just be patient and be gentle, else you're going to destroy this paper. And now when I secure the tip in place, I just go ahead and pull from under, and I make sure it doesn't bend. I just want to make sure everything comes out neat. This thing needs patience. This is where you need to be patient and be gentle and be soft, else you're going to destroy this paper. I just need to keep pulling. While I pull, I go in with this spatula. You can use even your kitchen spatula as long as it is a flat thing, and you pull out, or should I say pull in. I don't want any air bubbles, and I just want it to secure in place. That's what I'm doing right now. Now that I'm done, I'm going in on the edges. I just want to make sure the paper properly seals at the edges, and I'll still go in with that spatula. And to perfect everything, I'm going in lastly with my hands to make sure what the spatula did not do, my hands will properly do. Now I'm going to cut in some paper and line the drawers. I also want my drawers lined because I'm going to be putting makeup in these drawers, and imagine if the leak, or imagine if foundation has to touch the bottom. It's going to be easy for me to just use my makeup remover or soap and water and just clean, and it's going to be clean again. So I just want to line it with this plastic marble film. It's also just going to make the entire furniture match, so I'm going ahead to line all the drawers. This paper, I got it at Action Shop if you're in Europe, and it was €1.99, so that's how much a pack. And on this project I used 2 packs. So I'm going to go in, trim out all the excess, and keep lining the drawers. If you have some ugly cupboards, you could just use this paper, line them, and they are going to be beautiful once more. Now we are done with this project, and I just want to show you guys how this thing looked like before, just to remind you, and I'll show you guys how it looks right now. This is the before picture of this cupboard. So brown, so old, so dark. And this is our new vanity makeup table. So beautiful, so white, so bright. The crystals just make it bling, and it's so simple and mature. And the storage space is all lined with the marble to match the top. That's enough space to keep makeup, and nothing should be standing on your table. Your table should be clutter free, or you should have some decorative pieces on your table, or your perfumes on your table. I don't like makeup on the table. I just see it. It makes the room look tight, and I don't like it. So this is what I have. It's super beautiful. I can't imagine I bought this for 12 euros. Was it a hit or was it a miss? Please just leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Please subscribe. Please love you guys. Bye.